This video explains how to buy shares of InvenTrust Properties Corp, ticker IVT, a real estate investment trust that owns and manages retail properties and trades on NASDAQ. This is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy IVT, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker IVT to find InvenTrust Properties Corp, then select the listing that matches the NASDAQ ticker. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart, so confirm the name and NASDAQ ticker to ensure it is the correct asset. To invest, select the buy action, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After the trade, your IVT position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow the same example.